Hello everyone, this is Brian Goff from Intergen Sealing Industry, your old friend. Nice to see you all again. Today, I'm at the doorstep of our own factory. I'm going to take you a tour of our factory key department to see how these gaskets are produced or manufactured. Let's go, follow me there. Alright, the building behind me is the office area of us, where people do the paper desk work, such as sales, administration, purchasing, technique, research, design. Actually, this is a place where everything of us all sketches. I'll take you a tour of our office areas. Firstly, we'll come to the sales department and purchase department. Let's go. Follow me. I'm going to take you a tour each of the office. Here's the purchase department. And this is the sales department. Sales department, where people selling, supplying our products to the customers worldwide. Alright, the section's over. This episode is another part of our office building, where you can see research and development department, financial, and production department. I'm going to take you a tour of them. Also, meeting room as well as sample room. Let's go, follow me. Research and development department. Where all products of us are designed and developed and researched here. Alright. Next will be the HR. You know what HR is? Yeah, human resources. And this is QA department, quality department. This guy right here is working now in quality control. And there's something about quality control. Alright, meeting room, where all core staff have a meeting on something important. Right here, it's very big to hold all necessary staff. Alright. Production schedule department. All production schedule are made right here. Sample room. For all samples. Some for some featuring products. Financial department. This is for accounting, and this is the office of our president and CEO. They're sitting right here to handle something important. Tour, workshop, side country. This is most important procedures among all procedures. Gas manufacturing. This is what we brought in recently. Robot arm. To increase the efficiency of the manufacturing greatly. This is fully automatic equipment. Alright. Die function. Here's the panorama of the die function workshop. Right here, right there. After die punched of the gasket, fundamental formation is complete. As you can see, alright, let's have to match the workshop. You want to see? You want to know what trophy? I'll let you know. This is where most of our products placed. You can see various types of modes of our products. Before production, we have to design and develop the corresponding mode of the products. After that, we'll put the mold on the machine for production. Okay, I'll show around our molds of the products.
Show him.
Yeah, you can see. Plenty of the molds placed right here. Maybe all of them. Proves that we have various categories, gaskets. This is part of your die punching workshop. Some of the die punch machinery are here as the subsidiary. You can see one of the workers working on the die punching. And this is the finished product warehouse. The people here are working now. The stock, something about stock. Alright, this is another core procedure or process of our product. Laser cutting and welding. You can see laser machine is running and working now, cutting and welding. Laser machinery working the laser cutting for some simply molded product. For product that is unnecessary to be developed with a steel mold. 4 machines in total for both welding and cutting. Right here, the cutting of the outer gasket. This is what we got. I mean the product here, product right here. Welding and cutting are combined actually at this workshop. We're now at the workshop of head gasket, mold, mold construction is kind of like the head gasket mold. The steel mold of head gasket is something like curved on the plate. Another equipment for mold construction of head gasket. This is another equipment for the bigger head gasket development. All right. Right here. Yeah. The worker right here is working on the rubber part. Manufacturing, or even mold development. Yeah, this is kind of like mold of the rubber main gasket. All right, once over. That's the next destination. Let's go. And this place is where all molds of our products manufactured. Before production, we have to develop the mold of the corresponding product. The two workers behind me is working on the mold construction, and development. These machinery are just like mold construction function. There's a light painting workshop. If you want the gasket to look good, you want gasket to look good, what you have to do this part. As you can see, this is a line. This is where we paint the line, and everything else on the gasket. This is just like silicone line to keep up the sealing performance of our products. All right, that's it. Add to the mat. All right, that's all about our core unit, fabrication unit. You saw how our products made under those procedures, those process. and you got to know, and you know how our product is like.